Happy morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the human digestive system. I hope you all are active in this class. Okay, just have to remember the previous topic what we are seen in last class. We are seen the organ system of animal, the table column, right? I hope you have to remember to the topic. So today we are going to discuss about human digestive system. Here a human digestive system. First thing we want to know that meaning of a digestion. A digestion, which mean a conversion of food material into energy molecules with the help of some organs. Okay, some help of some organs, that is a human digestive system. System are a collections, which mean a collection of organs. Here a human digestive system, what are the organs involved, that we are seen a detailed way. Okay, and laterly, and now we are going to discuss about the what is in the meaning of a digestion and what are the parts are involved in the digestion. The first thing, a digestive system we are taken a food material in that form of a two type. The first type a simple substance. Simple substance, what they are indicated as a simple substance. A simple substance in the form of a vitamin and mineral. What they are said here, simple substance, vitamin. There is a vitamin and minerals. Here vitamins and minerals, vitamins are generated our body, minerals are get only through the food materials. And next one, a second form of food is a complex substance. Here a complex substance, what kind of a complex substance? Carbohydrate. What is the first one? Carbohydrate. And next one is the protein, and next one is the fat. So this is a three kind of a food material. They are converted into energy molecules. Here they are in a converted form. This is the what? They need to convert in the energy molecule. That is in a complex substance and need to convert in the form of a simple substance. Mineral vitamins convert pannu. Okay, with the help of a few stages. It is in a how many stages? There are 5 stages. In stages paklama. The 5 stages of food conversion, complex to simple. The first stage is injection. What is in the first stage? Injection. And next stage is digestion. And third stage is absorption. Sorry. What is the next? Absorption. Here this is the bema. And next stage is assimilation. What is the next one? Assimilation. And last, fifth stage is digestion. What is in the last stage? Digestion. First, let me know that meaning of another stage. The first one is injection. Injection ala just they are inside something. Appo you are just insert the food material inside of our body. That is an ingestion. And digestion. Injected food material are goes through the some of organs. They are get digested in that. Digestion. If we are taking a digestion, they need to convert in the form of energy molecule. So they are need for the absorption. Energy molecule convert anale enna aguno body absorb panni, they are just transferred to the all parts of body, right? So absorption and assimilation. What is an assimilation? Just they are distribute their entire parts of a body. Here absorption through the bloods, and assimilation they are transferred to send their energy to the each and every cells in our body. There is an assimilation and digestion. Unwanted food material are ejected through the anus. So there is a what? Digestion. So this is 5 stages of a food material. Let me see there one by one. Ingestion. Here what is in a first stage of a digestion? Ingestion. Ingestion, what we are said, the process of a food material. Food material that is in the form of a nutrition. Ingestion, which mean a process of nutrition. That is the beginning stage. Beginning stage just we are taken a food material in the form of nutritions and food materials they are called nutritions. So then a beginning stage begins an intake of food material. Intake of a food material is called the ingestion. A nutrition, that is the food in the form, they are present in a nutrition, that is the beginning stage of a digestion. They are intake the food material, that is in a stage of ingestion. Okay ma, food just we are taken through the mouth மூலமா எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is the ingestion. Let me move on. Next one, digestion. What is the next topic? Digestion. Just write a topic. Here a digestion, which mean what? A digestion அப்படினா they are now in that first stage they are entered to the mouth. Just imagine this is the mouth part. Here they are having a teeth and there is a buccal cavity and tongue, a pharynx and long food pipe, esophagus, and now they are enter into the stomach. In that part, a digestion part, stomach. And next one is the large intestine. So that is the enter into the small intestine. They are getting an absorption purpose. And next one is the large intestine. So this is the what? Large intestine. And here this one is the small intestine. Just imagine. And this is the stomach. Okay ma, first one digestion சொன்னோமா. And now a digestion அப்படினா என்னன்னா a broken down of a large food material. For an example, esophagus இருக்கா, see what ma, esophagus. Now food materials are traveled here and enter into the stomach. Here they are having one special enzyme, that is the HCl. With the help of an HCl, so they are broken down the food material into smaller particle. So that is the first process, a digestion, a broken down. What is the first? That is the breakdown. A breakdown of a food material, that is the complex food material into form of a simple form la convert பண்ணனுமா. Okay va, with the help of that is a soluble, a diffusible particle with the action of an enzyme is called HCl. With the help of an HCl, they are convert the complex food material into a simple form. அப்போ the digestive enzyme act பண்றதுனால they are getting a nutrition. அப்போ act பண்றதுனால என்ன ஆகும்? Just similar particle breakdown ஆகுமா? breakdown ஆறச்சா என்ன ஆகும்னா then enter into the large intestine. Here their absorption has taken place with the help of a smaller minute villi like structures of a muscles part in that a small intestine. The small intestine pathonaka, how they look like. Just taken a small part of a small intestine. Just imagine this is what? A small intestine. Just taken one part. Here they are having a minute villi like structure. Has மாறி இருப்பாங்க. Just taken one villi part. This is what? One villi. Inside of a villi, they are having a blood cell. Blood cell இருக்கும். That is a capillaries. Here a capillaries are absorbing the digested food materials இருக்க nutrients absorb பண்றது யாருன்னா இங்கே தான். That is the next process. Absorption இருக்கு இல்லையா, இங்கே digestion என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, that is broken down பண்ணுவாங்க. காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியலை சிம்பிள் ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியலாக broken down பண்ணிவிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சென்ட் பண்ணுறது லார்ஜ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரைன். சாரி, there is a small intestine. ஸ்மால் இண்டஸ்ட்ரைனுக்கு சென்ட் பண்ண உடனே தேர் ஓன்லி a taken place of what? Absorption. அப்போது absorption process எங்கே நடக்குது? In that a small intestine. ஓகேவா? The small intestine only, they are taken in the part of absorption. And next one, if they are taken a blood, through the blood, right? Absorption, blood மூலயமா நடக்குது. Then blood is a circulating medium of our body. So they are circulate entire parts of our body. இப்போ capillaries மூலயமா absorb பண்ணியாச்சு. Next what will be happen? They are sending the nutrition each and every cells in our body. அது மூலயமா தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? Then only we are getting a nutritions. Even our top to bottom. ஓகேவா? Because of that, blood is the circulating medium. Capillary is one of the blood vessel, a minute blood vessel. They are carrying a nutrition to our body. Okay, ma. So that's it for an absorption. Let me move on. Last one, ejection. What is the last one? Ejection. That is an easy thing. Here, ejection. This only based in a large intestine. Just have to take it here. Just imagine this is the large intestine, last part, and here they are having a rectum. This is what? Rectum, and this is the anus. The small intestine, so no, small intestine, they are taken off absorption, and undigested food material are travel through the large intestine. They are absorbing of water absorbed under the large intestine, and remaining unwanted food material are temporarily stored in the rectum, and they are finally ejected through the anus. Okay, so this is the what a basic process of digestive system. This is an overview about the digestive system. The first thing we are going to enter into the digestive system. Now, majorly they are considered of two parts. Let me see that what is a major division of a two digestive system. Here, what is in a topic? A digestive system consists of two sets of organ. That is in a two division, two sets of organ. The first thing, a digestive system, what are the parts are involved in that? First two sides and first one is the alimentary canal. What is in the first one? Alimentary canal. And second one is the digestive gland. Digestive gland. This is the two sets of organ they are said. Digestive system consists of two sets of organ, right? So first set is alimentary canal and next set is a digestive gland. First paklama, what is an alimentary canal in a diagrammatic way. Just imagine this is a face of a human, and now I'm going to draw a digestive. There is an alimentary canal organ. The first part is in a mouth part. So this is the first one, mouth, and next one, a long food pipe. That is a what? Esophagus. Lingla. Here this is the what? Esophagus. And next one is a long food pipe. They are enter into the stomach. See what ma? Stomach. And next one, a stomach convoluted to forming a small intestine. So this is what? Small intestine. And next one, a small intestine or enter into the, I'll just show you another color for that, large intestine. Just like this. And here, and last part we already said that rectum and anus. Now this is what ma? Small intestine. And next one, this is large intestine. And here rectum. And last one is the anus. So these are all the parts are involved in the alimentary canal. In your book, what they are given, the passage, passing, that's the passing start from the mouth and end from the anus. In between that, they are having a organs like this. A first one, let me say the first one. Here first is a mouth part, they are contain a buccal cavity. In that buccal cavity they are consists of a teeth. First teeth. So in your alimentary canal topic they are given a arrangement of teeth, how they are arranged in a given a detailed way. We'll see that laterly for an explanation. And next one, in the buccal cavity they are having a tongue. You know that one thing, a young man, that is a man, a teenage pathonaka, then a taste buds nearly are 1 lakh. நம்ம டங்க் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் டேஸ்ட் பட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, we have to feel some taste to that because of the taste bud. And next one, if you are taking a solid food material, they need to convert in the form of liquid convert பண்ணணும். அப்போ some liquids என்ன பண்ணணும், secrete பண்ணணும், that is a saliva. They are having a 3 sets of saliva. Okay, we see that. And next one, we'll see that in detail in that alimentary canal part. Just this is an overview. And next one, esophagus, there is a long food pipe and then enter into the stomach part. In that stomach part they are having a HCl. And next one, they enter into the small intestine. Here they are taken a absorption. And next one, unwanted food material, they are enter to be here in that large intestine. Just they are unwanted food material is there, no, their absorption is taken place. What kind of absorption? Either water absorb or no, and then the remaining unwanted things are enter into the large intestine, then finally reaching to the rectum part. Here they are temporarily stored here and they are ejected through the anus. So this is what parts of an alimentary canal. And next one, digestive gland irukkalanga. The digestive gland la first thing, gland nala enna, a gland அப்படினாலே to secrete the hormones. What is a gland? ஹார்மோன்ஸை செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறவங்க, ஹார்மோன்ஸை செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறவங்க தான் கிளாண்ட்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இங்கே டைஜஷன்லாம் நடக்கும்னா தே நீட் சம் ஹார்மோன் டு கன்வர்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியல் டு எனர்ஜி பார்ட்டிகல்ஸை கண்டிப்பாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண தே நீட் அ கிளாண்ட். தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் in a saliva சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, that is also a gland. And next one, here in that stomach part they are having a one gland to that, just to be here, a leaf like structure, that is the pancreas. Here a pancreas are contain a 2 hormone, insulin and glucagon. Just the next one, here they are having a one gland for that level. Because of that pancreas, okay, they secreted 2 hormone, insulin and glucagon. They are only making a liver they are stored they secrete the bile secrete பண்ணோம். they are help to absorbing a fat absorb பண்றதுக்கு help பண்றது யார் பார்த்தனாக்கா bile juice தான். okay, so these are 2 hormones. And not only that, they are having HCl enzyme also, no, they are also comes under that gland. So these are all the glands are involved in the human digestive system. இது எல்லாமே சேர்ந்தது தான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், alimentary canal. that is a digestive system நம்ம indicate பண்ணுறோம். okay ma, let me see the detailed way a structure of alimentary canal in each and every parts for an individually. Let me see that.